What did you do today? Uyu munsi wakoze iki? What did you do today? Uyu munsi wakoze iki? I woke up early, studied English, and then had breakfast. I woke up early, studied English, and then had breakfast. Nakangutse kare, niga Icyongereza, hanyuma mfata ifunguro rya mu gitondo. What time did you wake up? What time did you wake up? Wakangutse sangahe? I woke up at 6 a.m. I woke up at 6 a.m. Nakangutse saa 12 za mu gitondo. Did you have breakfast? Did you have breakfast? Wafashe ifunguro rya mu gitondo? Yes, I did. I had bread and tea. Yes, I did. I had bread and tea. Yego, narifashe. Nariye umugati nywa n'icyayi. Where did you go today? Where did you go today? Uyu munsi wagiye he? I went to the market. I went to the market. Nagiye ku soko. Who did you meet today? Who did you meet today? Uyu munsi wahuye nande? I met my friend. I met my friend. Nahuye n'inshuti yanjye. What did you eat for lunch? What did you eat for lunch? Wariye iki ku manywa? I ate rice and beans. I ate rice and beans. Nariye umuceri n'ibishyimbo. Did you study English today? Did you study English today? Uyu munsi wize Icyongereza? Yes, I did. I studied for 2 hours. Yes, I did. I studied for 2 hours. Yego, nize amasaha 2. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? Uyu munsi wize iki? I learned new English words. I learned new English words. Nize amagambo mashya y'Icyongereza. Did you watch TV today? Did you watch TV today? Uyu munsi warebye televiziyo? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oya, sinayirebye. Did you use your phone a lot today? Did you use your phone a lot today? Uyu munsi wakoresheje telefoni yawe cyane? Yes, I did. I watched English videos. Yes, I did. I watched English videos. Yego, nayikoresheje cyane. Narebye video zigisha Icyongereza. How was your day? How was your day? Umunsi wawe wagenze ute? It was good and productive. It was good and productive. Wagenze neza kandi watanze umusaruro. A productive day ni umunsi uba wabyaje umusaruro cyane nk'uko bikwiye. What made you happy today? What made you happy today? Ni uyu munsi niki cyagushimishije? Learning new English expressions made me happy. Learning new English expressions made me happy. Kwiga imvugo nshya z'Icyongereza byanshimishije. Did you help anyone today? Did you help anyone today? Uyu munsi hari umuntu wafashije? Yes, I did. I helped my brother. Yes, I did. I helped my brother. Yego, nafashije musaza wanjye. Did you clean your room today? Did you clean your room today? Uyu munsi wasukuye icyumba cyawe? Yes, I did. I cleaned it this morning. Yes, I did. I cleaned it this morning. Yego, nagisukuye muri iki gitondo. What time do you go to bed? What time did you go to bed yesterday? What time did you go to bed yesterday? Ejo wagiye kuryama sangahe? I went to bed at 10 p.m. I went to bed at 10 p.m. Ejo naryamye saa yine z'ijoro. Did you cook today? Did you cook today? Uyu munsi watetse? Yes, I did. I cooked dinner. Yego, natetse ifunguro rya nimugoroba. What did you drink today? What did you drink today? Uyu munsi wanyoye iki? I drank water, tea and juice. I drank water, tea and juice. Nanyoye amazi, icyayi n'umutobe. What was the best part of your day? What was the best part of your day? Niki cyari cyiza kurusha ibindi uyu munsi? Studying English was the best part of my day. Studying English was the best part of my day. Kwiga Icyongereza nibyo byari byiza kurusha ibindi uyu munsi. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Ubu urimo gukora iki? I am practicing English with you. Ubu ndimo kwimenyereza Icyongereza hamwe nawe. What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? Ejo uzakora iki? I will study English, exercise and visit my grandmother. I will study English, exercise and visit my mother. I will study English, exercise and visit my grandmother. Ejo nziga Icyongereza, nkora imyitozo ngororamubiri, hanyuma nsure nyogokuru. Did you call anyone today? Did you call anyone today? Uyu munsi hari uwo wahamagaye? Yes, I called my mother. Yes, I called my mother. Yego, nahamagaye mama. Did you receive any message? Did you receive any message today? Did you receive any message today? Uyu munsi wakiriye ubutumwa? Yes, I received a message from my friend. Yes, I received a message from my friend. Yego, nakiriye ubutumwa buvuye ku nshuti yanjye. What did you buy today? What did you buy today? Uyu munsi waguze iki? I bought some fruit. I bought some fruits. I bought some fruits. Naguze imbuto. Did you exercise today? Did you exercise today? Uyu munsi wakoze imyitozo ngororamubiri. Yes, I did. I went for a walk. Yes, I did. I went for a walk. Yego, nagiye gutembera. Did you read a book today? Did you read a book today? Uyu munsi wasomye igitabo. Yes, I read an English book. Yes, I read an English book. Yego, nasomye igitabo cy'Icyongereza. Iyi verb ni to read. Gusoma, muri past dusoma read. Ntago ijya ihinduka, iguma yanditse kwa kundi, ariko gusoma nibyo bitandukanye. Muri past tuyisomamo read. Read. Yes, I read an English book. Yego, nasomye igitabo cy'Icyongereza. What are you going to eat tonight? What are you going to eat tonight? Uri burye iki iri joro? What are you going to eat tonight? Uri burye iki iri joro? I'm going to eat potatoes and vegetables. I'm going to eat potatoes and vegetables. Ndi burye ibirayi n'imboga. Are you feeling tired? Are you feeling tired? Urumva unaniwe? Yes, a little. Cyangwa se ukavuga uti yes, a little. Yego, ndumva naniwe gato. Yes, a little. Ndumva naniwe gato. What's your plan for this weekend? What's your plan for this weekend? What's your plan for this weekend? Ufitiye gahunda muri iyi weekend? I plan to study English and rest. Ndateganya kwiga Icyongereza no kuruhuka. Did you enjoy your day? Did you enjoy your day? Wishimiye umunsi wawe? Yes, I enjoyed it very much. Yes, I enjoyed it very much. Yego, nawishimiye cyane. What do you want to do next? What do you want to do next? Niki ushaka gukora gikurikiraho? I want to practice more English. I want to practice more English. Ndashaka gukomeza kwimenyereza Icyongereza. I want to practice more English. Ndashaka gukomeza kwimenyereza Icyongereza. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.